Alright guys, so we're about to wash this thing. It's dirty. It's been from all the snow and salt and gravel and crap they've had on the road. It's absolutely filthy. So let's come check out the wheels. I'm going to show you all this wheel cleaner. Look at that. I mean, that is horrible. That's so bad. So if you're like me, I absolutely despise cleaning wheels. It's just something about it. I just absolutely hate doing it. It's so annoying. Drives me crazy. So typically I just don't even wash them very well just because I hate dealing with it. But this stuff right here from Shine Supply, Cool Guy Wheel Cleaner, dude, this stuff's insane. So as you see, this is a clear liquid, but you'll see what it does. As it removes all the dirt, grime, and crap from in this wheel without even touching it. Let's get them all real good. This stuff has an extremely distinct smell. If anyone's using it on their wheels, you'll definitely smell it. It likes to stick around for a while. It's super bubbly. And the only bad thing is it's pretty expensive for, you know, as much as you will use it, because you'll go through it pretty quick. So it's definitely something you want to do when you know you're going to want your wheels looking real good. Oh, my hand's getting tired. Get it in there. Oh, nice and good. Oh yeah, you can see on the brakes right there. Look at it. Turning purple. And you'll see it when we spray it off. It'll be crazy how much purple's on the ground and stuff, but I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, let it do its thing. So like you saw, we just sprayed it on there and then pressure washed it, and it pretty much removes everything. I mean, you can go over it with a, you know, a mitt or whatever and clean it up a little bit more, give it a little bit more shine, but it's pretty wild. Stuff looks sick. We're gonna try it on Dad's HELLCAT because he has the brass monkey wheels, but from the brake dust, and as you can see the like purple stuff flowing through there. That's the cleaner with all the nasty junk in there, but he has the brass monkey wheels, and the brake dust and stuff have really taken a toll on them. So we're gonna see if this stuff can bring back the color on them, really pull all that contaminants and stuff off of it. Hopefully it does, but we'll see. But as you see from that one-time use, where we definitely used at least a third, if not a little bit more, of the bottle. So, and I think that was like, what was it? Anywhere from 10 to 15 bucks. I can't remember exactly. So, definitely some pretty pricey stuff, and you will go through it pretty quick. But as you can see, it works. If you hate cleaning wheels like me, I would say it's worth it. Alright guys, this is the HELLCAT and the filthy brass monkey wheels. So as you can see, they almost just look black. Obviously they're very dirty right now, but even when we clean them, they still do not have the original brass monkey look. Like, these are more clean than the front, but they're still not very brass monkey. So we're going to try the Cool Guy wheel cleaner and see if it can bring the original life back into these wheels. So I don't know if the finish has just started to, I don't know, darken up, or if it's purely because it's just so contaminated. But let's get to spraying and see how it does. Already turning super purple. Brakes. Filthy. When I hit the other wheels, just leave y'all over here to watch this, see how it looks. So yeah, I would say it's definitely working. Look at this. Holy crap. That's wild. Back it up, spray them off. Look at all that contaminants. Holy crap. Alright guys, check it out. So that did an amazing job. I didn't even like clean them with my hand or anything, brush. This is just from that stuff, wheel cleaner. And it actually does look more gold in person than it does on camera. It actually looks like brass monkey again. So absolutely awesome. So if you have a HELLCAT or something with brass wheels and they're starting to look pretty dingy, wheel cleaner is your best friend, because it just helped so much. So figured I'd post this little video showing y'all, if you hate cleaning your wheels, scrubbing on them, you don't really have to. Just get you that wheel cleaner, and it does everything itself pretty much. So I'm gonna get this thing dried off and put up, and that's gonna do it, guys. See y'all in the next one.